Hello, how you doing? Look, so I've got here two beautiful salmon fillets, skin on. Don't they look delicious? Right, very simply, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a frying pan. I'm gonna be using some olive oil. We're gonna place our fish skin side down into the pan. I'm gonna be adding salt and pepper. And what we're gonna do, on an above medium heat, we're gonna cook this, we're gonna fry this away for about 4 to 5 minutes. This really, really is simple and delicious. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna keep them skin side down. You can see they haven't stuck to the pan. We're now gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that in the mix. I'm also going to add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, by the way, if you wanted, you could be adding some other herb or spice here. I'm just keeping this really nice and simple. We're going to keep on this heat. We're going to get a lid on that. I'm going to let that go for another 5 minutes. Job done. It is so simple and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.